Welcome to a simple introduction to operations and supply chain management, where we explore the essential components that drive business success. Operations management focuses on efficiently converting goods and services to maximize profits, while supply chain management ensures smooth flow and interaction between a company and its suppliers and customers. Supply chain management is all about managing the journey from supplier to customer. It involves a series of steps including sourcing, production, logistics, and distribution, ensuring that products reach customers seamlessly. Take for instance, McDonald's Corporation. The supply chain of McDonald's starts with its Tier 2 suppliers that include the farms delivering potatoes, lettuce, tomatoes, wheat, and other vegetables, and the ranches that supply meat products, trees, and water. Tier 1 suppliers use the ingredients and materials from their Tier 2 suppliers to process meat, bakery, dairy, and beverages. For example, beef is supplied by Lopez Foods. Potatoes are sent from 100 Circle Farms. Chicken furnished by Tyson and Keystone Foods. Beverages supplied by Coca-Cola, and dairy delivered from Hildebrand Farms. Tier 2 suppliers also supply the packing materials and the condiments. The processed foods and materials are transported using refrigerated and regular dedicated trucks to various distribution centers. The outbound logistics systems deliver the required products to each McDonald's restaurant. Food is finally prepared in the restaurants and served to customers. Wait. This is not enough to survive in this modern world. Firms must devise strategies for a sustainable future. McDonald's has a sustainable supply chain that focuses on 3 E's comprising of ethics, environment, and economics. McDonald's endorses the reduction of the use of antibiotics in food animals and enforces a zero-tolerance policy for cruelty to animals. They audit the slaughterhouses of their suppliers to ensure compliance with the industry best practices. McDonald's works with its suppliers to reduce the food and packaging waste. McDonald's works with its suppliers to reduce the impacts of climate, including greenhouse gas emissions. McDonald's works with its suppliers to research, share, and scale best practices to increase productivity and efficiency, as well as to protect land, livestock, and livelihoods. McDonald's success is based upon its Think Global, Act Local strategy. Products are adapted for the location, yet taste and quality are standardized and maintained throughout the globe. For example, Big Macs are served with vegetable, mutton, or halal patties in India and other countries to be sensitive to various religious beliefs. Guava juice in tropical regions, beer in Germany, chilled yogurt drinks in Turkey, cold pasta in Italy, grilled salmon sandwich in Norway, pork burger with sweet sauce in Thailand are other examples of adaptation. Yet the quality is maintained everywhere using trained staff, tight specifications, and extensive quality control process. This combination of quality goods and excellent service is the key to the success of McDonald's. Operations and supply chain management offer numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, improved risk management, enhanced collaboration, and minimized costs, all leading to satisfied customers. Without proper management, businesses face delays, higher costs, and dissatisfied customers, highlighting the importance of effective operations and supply chain strategies. P&G exemplifies the importance of forecasting customer demands, adjusting production multiple times a day to meet sudden sales promotions and ensure customer satisfaction. Ford's strategic operations capacity planning involves managing over 7,000 parts efficiently, ensuring competitiveness and operational success through effective supply chain collaboration. Del Monte Foods utilizes demand planning processes to enhance visibility and forecasting accuracy, integrating retailer supply networks for efficient operations. Kraft Heinz optimizes production using material requirements planning, integrating ERP systems to streamline manufacturing processes and enhance productivity. Walmart's state-of-the-art inventory management system allows vendors to decide on stock levels, utilizing models like VMI and JIT to ensure efficient operations. Toyota's commitment to quality assurance and process improvement is evident in their innovative manufacturing systems, ensuring high standards and customer satisfaction. UPS offers specialized logistics and transportation solutions, optimizing supply chain networks with advanced technology and efficient freight services. From connecting with suppliers to customers, operations and supply chain management is the key component of manufacturing and service industries. Remember, supply chain management, SCM, involves planning, the management, and the control of the flow of goods and information between a company and its suppliers and customers. Operations management, OM, involves converting the goods and the services efficiently and selling the goods and the services to customers to make profits. OM makes use of business practices to create the highest possible efficiency, productivity, and sustainability for an organization. Explore the comprehensive insights into operations and supply chain management with the book by Ganesh Vaidyanathan and Renee Ordonez. This resource is essential for understanding the key components of manufacturing and service industries.